I think the thing that everybody learned from that speech, or should have learned if you're inside the Trump organization, is he can do that if he has big cheering crowds like he had at AIPAC.
Right.
He should not do that in small rooms. I mean, they're just, everybody has their strengths, everybody has their weaknesses. George W. Bush in a crowd one-on-one, we all know, greatest, funniest, most likable guy that you'll ever want to meet. Get him in the East Room in a formal press conference, and it's painful. So you played it, you played at the strengths. So Mark, explain something to me. I'm sure Manafort, Lewandowski, all those guys, they understand he's going to probably get the 1237, right? They also understand that he cannot win the general election without 35% of Hispanics voting for him. This seems awfully late in the calendar to be doing things that made sense in January. Can he win? There are not, I have been saying all along, and I may be wrong, but there are not enough white voters in America for Donald Trump to win while getting routed by minorities.
Well, there's a lot unpacked in that question, because first of all, Trump's always going to say what he believes on issues like immigration. What he said last night, he believes, and he believes he can rally a lot of people. He still needs to do really well in the California primary to go over. And for the California Republican electorate, that's a really strong message. If you take what Trump has said, and this is where Ted Cruz and his other critics are right, Trump has been for a position on immigration, which he can then start to emphasize, which is pretty close to what is called amnesty. And I do think he will pivot on immigration to talk about some of the things he's already mentioned about letting people stay here if they're good people. Trump will lose the Hispanic vote in the general election if he's the nominee. You talk about what percentage he has to get. This is about 270 electoral votes. He can lose Hispanics in California and lose California massively. Can he target Hispanics that he needs in North Carolina, in Illinois, in New Jersey? I think there are other issues.
Pennsylvania, Michigan.
Yeah, there are other issues he can talk about to win, and he can get more of the non-white vote, more of the white vote than Romney did. So the math here is not as cut and dried as he's not going to do well with the Hispanic vote nationally, therefore he can't win. It's more complicated than that, state by state and on issues besides immigration.
Do you think he'll do better or worse than Romney did? Romney lost 71%, something like that, of the Hispanic
Again, I think
vote.
the national number, if they're able to build a sophisticated targeting operation, Hispanics in California, worse as of today, although I'm not sure that's going to be the case long term. But that's not what it's about, right? It's
and he's never going to win California anyway.
I want to. The Trump folks are
talking about the general election.
The Trump folks are interested in the trip he's on now. He was there yesterday, there again today. Can he not win it, but can he make Clinton play defense there? There's one of the dynamics in this asymmetrical warfare that we'd see in a Trump-Clinton conflict is Trump can probably put more states in play.
Can I answer that question on April 28th? No, he cannot make Hillary Clinton play defense in California. Let me just save them a lot of money right now. Let's see what.
I'm not sure that's
true. Dude, look, what happened from Pete Wilson on there? It has been a virtual wasteland for Republicans for the past 20 years.
And Arnold Schwarzenegger, without rebuilding the state party, with celebrity and an appeal that that was more about personality than issues.
Did he talk about building a wall? Did he bring people out on stage and say, look, these are people killed by Hispanics?
He had other problematic positions.
Okay.
I'm not predicting it. All I'm saying is watch and see what happens in the next couple days about whether there's a possibility that Trump could build a coalition in California.
All right. Alex.